Are you all still using home conventional cleaners? Do you know that most of them contains harmful chemicals such as phthalates, sulfates, triclosan, and many more? They not only affect human health but the environment as well. So what can we do? We can simply switch to bioenzyme cleaners. They are 100% natural and non-toxic. They are just made from simple ingredients such as citrus, fruit peels, jaggery, water. Simple, isn't it? They are 100% safe substitutes for the harsh cleaners we use at our home. They are environmentally friendly, pet and child safe as well. You can either make these products by yourself or you can simply purchase them at Naturezym. At Naturezym, we manufacture bioenzyme floor cleaners, laundry detergent, dishwashing liquid, multi-purpose cleaners and many more. Not only that, we also manufacture bioenzyme plant fertilizers which helps in the photosynthesis process of the plant as well as increases organic matter in the soil. It also plays as a natural pesticide for the plants. So come take a look at our website and try the products for yourself. It's time we change to natural products for the benefit of the world as well as our earth.